In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count in Excel for beginners. Open Microsoft Excel on your Windows desktop. Then open the workbook you want to use for this count example. Once the sheet is visible, go to cell F2. This is an empty cell just to the right of the table, and it's where we'll place the first formula. In cell F2, type equals, then count, and then an opening bracket. Now, with that opening bracket still there, click cell B2 and drag down through B11 to select the price range. Excel fills that range into the formula for you. After the range appears, type the closing bracket so the complete formula reads equals count, open bracket, B2 colon B11, close bracket. Press enter. Now click back on cell F2 so the result is easy to see. The value shown is 9. That means Excel found 9 numeric cells in the price column. One row in that range is blank, so it is not included in the count. Next, click cell F3. Here, type the next formula exactly as equals count, open bracket, C2 colon C11, close bracket, press enter. The result is 8. There are 10 rows in the unit sold range, but 2 of those cells are blank, so count returns 8. This is the main idea behind the function. Count only looks for numbers and blank cells are ignored. Now click cell F4. Type equals count, open bracket, D2 colon D11, close bracket. Press enter. The result is 0. Column D contains text values, specifically yes and no entries, but count does not count text at all. Even though the column is filled, there are no numbers in that range, so the result is 0. Next, click cell F5 to count numbers across more than one range in a single formula. Type equals count, open bracket, B2 colon B11, comma, C2 colon C11, close bracket. Press enter. The result is 17. That combines the 9 numeric cells from price with the 8 numeric cells from units sold. Count can accept multiple arguments in one formula, so this lets you total numeric cells across separate ranges at the same time. At this point, the key results are on screen. F2 shows 9, F3 shows 8, F4 shows 0, and F5 shows 17. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. These results clearly show how count works for beginners. It counts only numbers, skips blank cells, ignores text completely, and can count across multiple ranges in one formula.